In addition to posting all of my class information and lesson information on my Google Classroom, I also use a Google website that I create for all of my larger projects. The things that I include are things like what we will be learning, our goals, students will be able to. Those are our objectives, overarching and essential questions. I also always put in the standards, both in the class subject and the technology subject, so that students know exactly what it is that I'm expecting them to learn from the lesson. I always put in the requirements of the lesson and usually a rubric along with checklists on what students need to do in order to have what's considered a complete assignment. I like to offer a number of different options. For example, I've got option 1 here, creating an animated GIF using Google Drawings. Here they've got using Canva. We've got creating a slim animation. Option 3 is a comic strip in Canva. 4 is more pen and paper, still online, but more of a drawing, and that's using Cami. And then finally, this option right here is a non-tech option where they're using printouts and scissors, and they'll just tape things onto a piece of paper. I always add how-to videos. Here you can see I've created directions with links so students have everything they need. They can see exemplars of the different projects and how-tos in videos that I post. So you can see all of these things here. I do this so that students can choose the way that is easiest for them to follow along and create and show what it is that they have mastered, and they get to choose what works best for them. Because in essence, my goal is to make sure that they master a particular standard. I don't really care how they do that as long as they can show me. And so we can use all of these different techniques, giving them their voice and choice, and we'll get the best results from that.